Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will help you fix the unsupported graphics card or driver OpenGL 4.3 error in Blender. If you are facing this, it likely means your system doesn't meet Blender's requirements or your drivers need an update. Let's fix it quickly. First of all, update your graphics driver. Go to your GPU manufacturer's website like NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest driver for your specific graphics card. Once downloaded, install the driver and restart your computer. If updating the driver doesn't work, check if your hardware supports OpenGL 4.3. Go to your graphics card's specifications page online to confirm. Unfortunately, if it doesn't support OpenGL 4.3, you may need to consider upgrading your GPU. As a workaround, try running Blender with software that provides OpenGL compatibility like the open source tool Mesa 3D for unsupported systems. Just be aware performance might be limited. And there you go. These steps should help you fix the Blender OpenGL 4.3 error. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.